As you can see, this padding isn't glued to the top, so we're going to glue it to the top just to make sure it stays in place. The way I start these is to stay tack the four corners, and then from there I go in between those and start, evenly pulling that fabric where you got the same amount of excess on each side. I'll pull it down snug and staple it a little bit there and go do all four corners of that again. Then I'll come back around and I'll start taking these stay tacks out and start doing the same thing to them, where I make sure I got an even amount on each side, pull it, staple it, And then from that point, you'll see me start going one at a time around them and pulling. I'll pull like this. And what I don't want to do is pull this wrinkle into it. What I want to do is get as much of this fabric moving this way without the wrinkle. And then I'll put it down, and then I'll go to the next one. And then by the time I get through, you'll eliminate all the wrinkles. Okay, this base I got, you can see has its own bottom in it and everything, so I'm not gonna put any dust cover on this. And you can see right here is this joint, and it's hooked together with this, so I put my 2 here, and then I have my 2 here. I just want to make sure that I line those up, and then that'll make sure that this board is lined up with its T-nuts. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like these, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell, and you'll know when I do put one out.